How to make money online in 2022. Tips for the era of automation. Making money online has never been easier. The internet is an open marketplace and there are more opportunities than ever before to make money. So if you want to make money online in 2022, it will be important to understand how automation is changing the way we work and live. So automation is the process by which machines replace human labor in order to increase efficiency. Hey guys, welcome back to Obakhas Geeks. In this video, I'll be covering some ways that you can make money online in 2022 by adapting to the new era of automation. So if you're watching this video for the first time, please leave a like, subscribe, and after watching, please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Before we get started, what do you need to succeed with making money online? So that's the first question I'll be answering in this video. So the first thing you need is a plan. Without a plan, you will not know what to do or how to go about it. So you need to decide on your niche and make sure that you are targeting the right audience. So if your niche is too broad, then you will have a hard time finding success because there are many competitors in the same field, right? And the second thing you need is a website, and you can use WordPress or Blogger as they are free and easy to use. So you can also make money with this platform by using Google AdSense or other advertising network. You might be wondering how some people manage to start a successful online businesses. Well, we have got you covered, guys. So in next, I'll be showing you profile of successful online entrepreneurs and how they did it. So here are profiles of 3 successful entrepreneurs who are making a living through their online ventures. So number 1, we have Jenna Kacha. Jenna Kacha is the founder of Jenna Kacha's Yoga Club, and she has been teaching yoga for over 20 years. She started her online businesses after she set up her own blog and YouTube channel with an intention of sharing her knowledge on yoga with others. So her YouTube channel has more than 1 million subscribers and is growing fast, right? Number 2 in our list, we have Amanda Williams. Amanda Williams is an Australian entrepreneur who started a company called the Green Box Project, which sells organic fruits and vegetables in Australia, New Zealand, USA, UK, Canada, and Ireland. So the company has been growing at an impressive rate, and it is expected to break even in 2023. So number 3, we have Yvette Dion. Yvette Dion is a Canadian entrepreneur who has been selling handmade jewelry on Etsy since 2008. From the start, she knew that she wanted to make a career out of her craft, so she created tutorials for customers on how to create. So guys, what we can learn from these successful online entrepreneurs is that you need to start with what you know or with what you're good at and keep pushing it to the level of making good money online. At first, it may be so hard to start. So the good thing with online businesses, it takes time, but once it peaks, everything will go well, right? So guys, that's all I can share with you for today. So hope you found this video useful. If you did, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.